Hi guys, what's up? It's Kaylin here, and today I'm going to go over a great swing trade idea for you guys. By the way, before I even get into my technical analysis, go ahead and follow me on Twitter because I posted this on Monday. I also posted a Microsoft swing trade idea, which ended up really paying off. I should have made a video about it, but it just took off a little bit too quickly. My entry on Microsoft was around like 421, 422. I have a price target of 445, but I grabbed a month expiration on my contracts and they're up 230%. Imagine if I would have got the weeklies, I would have been up like 300, 400% by now. But anyways, let me get to where you guys could make money in the future. I really like AMD. Also on Twitter, I posted some things that I'm buying long-term wise, in my Roth IRA, and AMD was one of them. This was 2 weeks ago, so I'm long on AMD. My sentiment is bullish long-term, but this is a great trade to swing options-wise. So I've charted out some levels here. We have this 135/136 level. It's holding it. If we hold 136, we get this move to about 153. Hold 153, there's a gap fill to about 166. Above that, you get this previous resistance of 174, and there's also a gap fill to 177. So, of course, after 166, it's going to go straight to 177. After 177, touch that next resistance of 187. There's a lot of sevens, okay? Sixes and sevens. But why I say this 135 is a major support is because held up here, held up here, held up there, and hopefully it's going to hold up here. If I do get a break below 135, then I'm going to cut the contracts because then I'm just losing money on time. That was basically around my entry. But I know you guys are probably thinking, this girl is crazy. A swing trade, 2 weeks, AMD is going to make a $40 move. No, on my contracts, I got 7 to 8 month expiration. So I have a lot of time for this to play out and reach my price targets of 177, 187. So I know that a few of you guys, or some of you guys, are not going to want to pay the premium on a long expiration options contract, and I completely understand. So I would just recommend getting a monthly, super far out, the strike super far out. And yeah, I also like that on AMD it has this falling wedge, I believe it's called, where it has this descending channel and then it starts to bottom out and then we finally get that push up. Now, if it is a falling wedge, it typically goes higher than this 174, which is also why I put that price target of 186. And it's just a previous resistance. So if this is a falling wedge, it's going to make a bigger move, hopefully to about 186, and then we all get paid and make so much money. All right, hold on. Let me turn on these SMAs and take off the drawings. Where's the visual? Okay, here we go. All right, so if we're looking at these SMAs right here at this 140 level, it has some good support. And I told you guys about the SMA lineup, 20, 50, 200, still a really good strategy to take trades off of. If it holds a 20 SMA, then it moves over here to the 50, which is at 151, which also aligns with our price target at 153. And then after the 50 SMA, it moves to the 200 SMA over here at 160. But as price starts to move up, then the SMAs will adjust. It'll probably start to push up to 162, 163. So the SMAs on this trade look really nice, and we're just hoping that AMD stays above 140 and ultimately above 135, 136. I don't want to rush this. I'm just slowly adding size into this position. I'm not going to risk a whole lot because I definitely want to end the year off right, but I don't know when this move is going to happen. It could happen this month, it could happen next month, it could happen in 2 months. I really don't know, so we're just staying patient and waiting for this to play out. We'll see. If you are going to get a long expiration contract and planning on holding it for a couple of months, watch out because there's earnings in 62 days, so like 2 months. It can be kind of crazy, hopefully in a good way. I don't know if I'd hold for earnings if it already touched my price target. I'll definitely hold for earnings if it's over here at like this 150. But all right, that's just my thoughts. Let me know if you guys take this swing trade, and I'll keep you guys updated on Twitter. So go ahead and give me a follow. Bye.